Okay, today I thought we'd do an unboxing of these boxing robots, the cyber boxing robots, head-to-head RC boxing. And basically this is a 2013, I believe. This is the Black Box series. Here's the back of it. 360-degree robot boxing action. Looks like they've got switches on their chests that will make the heads pop off. Radio controlled transmitter. Two robots, so that means they're on their own frequencies. Picked up the year back here somewhere. All kinds of interesting information. So obviously this has never been opened. So it's high time we opened it. One tab. Let's see if we can slide it out without dismantling any more of the box. Let's get further back. Okay. So far so good. Set that box over there. These guys look like everything is rather heavily taped. I don't really want to tear the display box apart. Which one should I take out? I'm going to take out the blue guy. Just because it's easier to clip his cable ties. That wasn't too bad. Let's see if the transmitter comes out as easily. That. Looks like there's some sort of knob on the back. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. Alright, let's set this over to the side. Let's take a look. Let's get a little closer now. Now that the big box is kind of out of the way. What do we need to get in there? We need a Phillips. Let's find out if the gears are still good. It's not all that old. 2013. 9 years old. Should still be good, right? Looks like 3 Thunders ought to do it. New. Triple A's, not double A's. Three Thunders won't do it. Let's try 3 Kirklands. Oh, there went his head. It's because I grabbed his chest and hit that button. So we know the button on the chest part works. Alright, there's the 3 AAAs. That's screwed back on. Looks like it's a motorized feet. 2013 on the bottom of the foot there as well. 27 megahertz. It seems like that's a bad frequency for out here, but we'll find out. And a 9 volt. Positive. I'm positive it's a 9 volt. Can I get it in though? That's what she said. Ooh. It's in. Now let's find that head. Got it. Yeah, so just hitting that button on the front of the old body makes the head blow off. On, off, it says right here on the side. We switched on. Okay, throwing a punch. Okay, so this one's driving 1 foot forward and backward. Well, I see, when each foot and the arms are kind of tied together. So I'm going to hold this so we can see better. So if I pull down on this stick, that would be backing up the left foot and throwing a punch. If I push it the other way, it'd be going forward and throwing a punch. And this one should be the same thing. Yep, that's forward. Throws a side punch. and that would be back. So if I pull them both back, it should go straight back. Okay, straight forward for a spin. Oh, well, that's not bad. You can't throw a punch without moving though. So you would definitely have to factor that into your gameplay. And let's fire the head again. Boom! Doesn't shoot up in the air very far, but it does pop off. Alright, it works. We know the red one's going to work exactly the same. And since there aren't two of me out here, there isn't really any point in powering them both up. So there you have it if you've never seen it before. It says The Black Series by Shift3, Cyber Boxing Robots, Head-to-Head RC Boxing, 2-player action.